September 17th, Sunday, 24th Sunday of the year. Forgive to be forgiven. If you do not forgive your brother or sister from your heart. Quoted by Pope Francis, if you do not become this church of closeness with attitudes of compassion and tender love, we will not be the Lord's church. Today, all three readings concentrate on a theme which is forgiveness. The first two readings say that one who seeks vengeance will be paid vengeance, while the second reading speaks of our living Christ. In the Gospel, through a parable, Jesus shows that while a man is often incapable of forgiving in even a petty issue, at the same time, we seek mercy from the Lord for our grievous sins. The Lord is compassionate, gracious, slow to anger, and merciful. He is always willing to forgive us. But what is our disposition towards others to whom we hold our grudges and hatred? We cannot dispose of ourselves well unless we forgive others to receive God's forgiveness. If you hope for mercy, show mercy. If you want to receive, give. If you ask for yourself what you deny to others, your asking is a mockery. Let this be the pattern for all of us when we practice mercy. Show mercy to others in the same way, with the same generosity, with the same promptness as you want others to show mercy to you. Jesus said, "I desire mercy, not sacrifice." Pray and practice. Lord, teach us your generosity. Give us the grace to forgive others wholeheartedly as you forgive us. And by forgiving, may we grow in mercy.